Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we making lo mein, okay? It's a lot of chopping up, but it's real easy, okay? It ain't gonna be too hard. With all these sides and stuff that y'all gonna have and all the ingredients that we using, you can pretty much use this in a lot of Asian dishes. So it'll be good to have it because you can use it all the time. Anyways, y'all, do not forget to get my cookbook. It is on Amazon. You can search my name or the title of the book. Get cooking and keep cooking. And y'all, without further ado, let's get into it.
Gotta say a word, keep giving me what I'm looking for. I just gotta tell everybody, I don't wanna keep it on the low. Goddamn, I love.
So I just cut up one big broccoli into small little pieces. I ended up cutting that big piece off of that broccoli right there. So yeah, and make sure that you clean it. And then you want to go ahead and cut up your bell pepper, whatever kind of vegetables you have that you want to put in this dish. You can put any kind of vegetables you want, y'all. Cut you up a bell pepper. I didn't really want to cut up no carrots, so I got carrots sliced already, all right? And then I cut up some green onion. The green onion, y'all, just cut up big chunks or small ones, just however you want to do it. I did end up cutting these small ones on the side just for garnish, for toppings. And then y'all, I cut up some a garlic clove, about 2 garlic cloves, which I hate cutting up garlic cloves because they're so small. So you can just use minced garlic if you want. I mean, it's no big deal on that. So then I cut up some cabbage, and you basically just want to shred this. Cut it in small little pieces, small you know, thin slices. And then I cut up an onion. I just sliced it up down the side, y'all. And I sliced it up down the side because I wanted it to be thin as well. Just like the cabbage and just like the carrots. And then I went ahead and cut up the meat. I just sliced the meat as well, thinly sliced in this dish as well, y'all. Okay, so let me go ahead and show y'all. These are the lo mein noodles that I'm gonna be using. Go ahead and get y'all a snapshot of that. These are what I'm gonna be using. Let's get into it. All right, so we're gonna do 2 teaspoons of soy sauce. Okay. 1 teaspoon of this rice wine, y'all. I forgot to show y'all this one. It's a little blurry. There we go. I got the natural one. We're gonna do 1 teaspoon of that. I poured a little bit more, but that's okay. And then make sure y'all get some white ground, white ground pepper. I got the organic kind because that's the only one they had, and it's about $4, so it's a little expensive for my taste. So I'm probably gonna be using the heck out of this on some recipes. So with that being said, we're gonna do about a ½ teaspoon of this. So not the whole thing. We're gonna do a ½ teaspoon of garlic powder. We got some cornstarch. This is the one I use. It really don't matter which I use, y'all. Which kind of cornstarch you use? Some cornstarch. About a teaspoon of this as well. Hefty one. And we're gonna get out a mix. We're gonna let this marinate for about 30 minutes. We're gonna do 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, and that's this one. This is the dark soy, y'all. If y'all don't have this dark mushroom soy, you can just use regular soy sauce. We're only gonna do 1 tablespoon of this. So if you don't have this, you would just do another tablespoon of soy sauce. We're gonna go in with some more of this white pepper. You know what? I'm gonna do a ½ teaspoon of that. Some sugar, about a teaspoon. That's good. And then a teaspoon of cornstarch. Fourth cup of broth, chicken broth. Okay, so we just gonna whisk this and set it to the side, y'all. we just want to make sure we get all the clumps. We're gonna start with some oil because we're gonna get that real hot. So we're gonna add the chicken in. So we're gonna let that cook for about 3 to 4 minutes. We're gonna flip it and turn it around and do all of that. Flip it around. Okay, so we're just gonna remove this meat. Throw in some vegetables. I'm gonna throw in some broccoli, these hard onions with the white tips because they take longer to cook. I'm gonna let this finish cooking the remainder and then we're gonna just turn this off. So this is pretty much done. We're just gonna let that steam a little bit. Okay, so we're gonna strain this. A little bit of oil. I'm gonna add garlic. I'm gonna add my green onions. Everything I just boiled. Add our chicken back in. And we're gonna add our cabbage. Now we just want to get it all mixed in and cohesive together. But once you get everything in the sauce, it's pretty much done, y'all. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna toss in a little sesame oil. That's gonna be this. Then we're gonna add some sesame seeds. Alright, y'all, so this is how it came out. Like I said, I just added a little sesame seeds on top and some sesame seed oil. And it came out so freaking good, y'all. Make sure y'all go in the description below for the grocery list. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what else y'all want to cook, what y'all want to see, what y'all want to learn.
Hit that subscribe button!